Introducing the next-level technology powering the Realme 9i. Realme has always been at the forefront, using the most advanced processor possible to achieve blazing-fast smartphone performance. The smaller a processor's process node, the more power can be packed into the same space, and the more energy efficient it is. That's why most flagship smartphones are powered by a 5nm or 7nm process. For the first time in this price category, the all-new Realme 9i is powered by flagship-grade 6nm Snapdragon 680 processor for next-level performance with outstanding energy efficiency. The 6nm process now packs up to 114 million transistors per square millimeter, greatly improving the computing efficiency. This is a 46% increase in overall performance compared to a 12nm process. You can also expect up to 62% lower power consumption while still delivering fast performance. And because the processor is so energy efficient, you can enjoy up to 46% longer battery life with a Realme 9i compared to the previous generation. Get ready to experience next-level gaming at optimized frame rates while consuming less power. The Realme 9i lets you blaze through tasks and do what you love in less time.